Hi everyone, it's Caroline on the hillside. Thank you for joining me today. I'm not going to disturb this beautiful layout of Happy Mail that I received, and I'm going to elaborate on that a little bit. This is from Celeste Gardner at Woodland Inspired, and it started off with an order that I put in to receive some little embossed frames, some die cuts, and I already dug into one of the packages, so that's why it doesn't look like these ones here. And I wanted to share that this started with an order, and she continued to bless me with many papers. And here is a tag that she made and put it in this envelope, and I will open it up. A little note, and it says, Caroline, I wanted to include everything but the kitchen sink, LOL. 99% of the items are extras from my stash. Enjoy everything, my friend. Big hug, Celeste. Thank you. I'm speechless. I have not looked at anything. I took it out of the big box when it came in the mail, and I'm also going to share with you, so this was the first one that I took apart, and it says open here, so she has everything labeled so beautifully. There's a nice, pretty card, and this was the cream cardstock set of 12. So it comes like this, in this lovely pocket, and I can reuse everything here, so it's going to take me years to get through all this. Here is one of the colors that I wanted to order, and I already used one. That's why I dug into it. And I used it in my neutral, pretty, shabby chic magazine spine journal. And there it is. I'm not completely finished with this page, but I just wanted to show you that that's what I used it for right now. Couldn't wait to use it. So that sits in here. And then I also, this was a band around, everything was banded. And I already took it apart and cut it. I was going to use it in my journal. This is the mystery scrapbook. I took a mystery one because I think she probably, let me open it with you. I'm just going to share, see what it looks like. I do not have these die cuts, or these dies, and I thought I would love to order some of these. And the mystery is amazing. They're all different. Oh, they are so beautiful, so pretty. Lovely colors. So that was the mystery one. And oh yes, and in them, I won't open them all, but in the little envelope, she sends you the inserts. That was the middle of the die, and then you can use that any way you like in your journaling. So that's the mystery, and then it's called Dreamy One cardstock, and so that's that. So I can use all of these pieces. Every single thing can be recycled, upcycled. That's the order. I'm going to pause and take everything out of these packages because it's extra crinkly. I don't even know where to start. I'm going to, this was one package. I'll put that one over here. And thank you very much for labeling everything. It's completely overwhelming and a lot. I'll start with this one. This is embossed paper cardstock tracing paper, and it just goes on and on and on. And I do have an embossing machine. I have parchment paper or tracing paper, but this is all ready to go. Snowflakes for winter. Oh my goodness. And it goes on and on. All colors, little offcuts. I can't believe you're parting with all of this. But maybe as an Etsy owner, you have abundant amount, which I can understand because we do gather scraps. Whether you sell on Etsy, oh, little holes. This is incredible. My goodness. So this goes on. These pretty pink papers. The pink is gorgeous. All the colors, the white, so beautiful. That was one package. Assorted offcuts. This was a second package, and I'm going to flip it around because on this side it starts with some quilted hearts. These could have been trimmed from a quilt, or maybe you did these from scratch. They are beautiful. I completely appreciate, I love to sew, always have, and I really love these. These are beautiful. A doily, maybe you crocheted this one too. You'll have to let me know, Celeste. Office papers, part of a book. Doilies. I'm going to have to do a rotation because I have to use it all up. Red pepper cornbread. I love red pepper everything. Red pepper jelly. So 80s and 90s. I love these colors too. Little folk art. This looks like toll painting. Oh, it's embroidery. And as I'm folding this back up, the copyright is 1962. So this is definitely vintage. Amazing. Piano paper roll. I have never owned piano paper roll. I've never actually seen it. I've seen it in videos because I know a lot of people have it. Oh, Celeste, I hope I make you proud because these are really, to me, these are so precious. Yet at the same time, I'm very excited to use these. And so that was the other package. I'm going to put it over here. I'll put the piano here like this. I'll put it back in the sleeve properly. And then this was in another envelope. All these bags. This one has library pockets, slant pocket, scoop pocket, match book blanks. My goodness. Well, this is incredible. Amazing. Pockets, blanks. Miniature envelopes. Oh, I love envelopes. Fabric tags and labels. Fabric tags. And, oh, I love this idea. That's really cute. Okay, this is... Oh, does that ever feel... That feels really fun. I've never seen a fabric label. This is leaves made from coffee filter. Oh, there they are. A mixed lot of die cuts. Oh, amazing. I'm going to be journaling until my time is up. I've never used these either, although I had a, I forget what they were called, a picture wheel. I forget what they're called. We had that growing up. Oh, I love these. So fun. Everything is fun and amazing. Stitched slots. Oh, stitched? Yeah, stitched slots. Oh, I see. They're stitched on the edge. That's what that means. Beautiful. You know, I had received something like this in a Happy Mail before I started, just telling a little story, before I had started my channel. I was really into journaling, and I had received in an envelope one, and I think I used it in one of my glue books, but I really didn't know what it was, and that's what it is. So at the time, ornate frames. Oh, these are wonderful. Blessed beyond words. Random gift card bags. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to pull one of these out. Oh, that's amazing. This is gift card bags. So you put them together. Random tags. Random tags. Big sizes. Beautiful. The color assortment is outstanding. 3D impresslets. Hearts. Hearts are my thing. Oh my gosh. Die cut tabs. Love that because, well, I have one tab punch and I really like it, but it's just a plain square one. And so I make my own, but now I have an assortment to go through. Oh my goodness, so amazing. Film strip die cuts. Oh, love it. Heirloom embossed frames. Embossed frames. And then also I think is the center of the frame, which is amazing. Well, this is a fun surprise because I did not order this one, but Celeste says this is a new item in my shop. I was inspired by you to make these. Let me open this up. Please visit Celeste for your amazing die cut items. As you can see, there's nothing she can't fulfill. It's held together with this band. And in here is the center of the frame. The envelope that has this beautiful bird cage embossing. And these are the new items in her shop. These are amazing papers. Well, I have frames forever. I don't have enough pictures to put in these frames, but I will do my best to accomplish that. Scallop die cut labels. Can't go wrong with those. They're beautiful. Mini file folders. Oh, these are fun. Yeah, I like those, and I love the background, the backing paper that this is Pottery Barn samples, and I love Pottery Barn. Azalea, and some of these. Oh, these are fabulous little faux leather. Beautiful samples. And then Charleston Lady. Get the first one out. I'll put it against here. Very pretty. postage die cut stamps and a honeycomb embossed paper. Oh, these, oh, so cute and fun. And this is, there's some stamps on there. Oh, Celeste, these are outstanding. So much variety, so many to choose from. I'm going to have a box to keep all my die cuts, and it's going to be fun because you've already labeled it for me. And so that'll be fun to organize. I'm going to do my organizing with the little packages, medium and large. The frames that I ordered, the Dreamy cardstock, Dreamy 1, the Mystery, and then this one was the cream cardstock right here. Once again, thank you so much for joining me today in this happy mail. This is Celeste's YouTube channel at Woodland Inspired. The information that you need to go to her Etsy store will be there. I will also have it linked. I am just looking at this and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. Remember to be adventurous and stay fresh. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.